Hi guys, I'm Ruby with Profashion, and today I'm going to show you guys 3 quick ways to use your thermal comb. The first great way to use this tool is to straighten those pesky baby hairs that we all get around our face. With the cool guard tip, we can get really close to the scalp without even burning ourselves. Make sure all the hair is in the plate like that. Just drag it down. Now that we got that done, we're gonna wanna add a little bit of style to the ends of our hair. 3/4 of the way down. Gonna hold and secure it, kind of glide it and curve it a little bit. And that's how you get a little style. And now if you wanna balance it out and add volume to the crown, we're just gonna go ahead and grab this section right at the top really quick. Make sure this is right there at the root. And we're gonna really brush it up and over. And those are 3 perfect ways to use your thermal brush. Thanks for watching today's video.